What if you could make $200 a day without ever leaving home? Discover 8 genius, proven ways to turn your skills, time, or creativity into daily income right from your laptop. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. What's up, everyone? Today, I'm breaking down 8 real ways you can make $200 a day or more, all from home. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. These are proven, practical methods anyone can start. No fancy degree or big investment needed. I'll give you the platforms, strategies, and secrets to get started and succeed. Watch until the end for bonus tips that could double your earnings and the #1 mistake to avoid. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Let's go! First up, freelance writing. If you can write an email, you can do this. Companies need blog posts, website copy, emails, and social media captions right now. Start by creating a standout profile on Upwork or Fiverr. Add a friendly photo and show your enthusiasm. Your first goal: get a 5-star review, even if it means doing a small job for $10. That review unlocks bigger, better gigs. Don't be afraid to apply for jobs you think are a stretch. The worst they can say is no. At first you might charge 5 cents a word. A 1,000-word blog post? That's $50. Write 4 posts a day and you've hit $200. The secret to scaling: specialize. Become the go-to writer for a niche: tech, pets, real estate. Specialists can charge 20 cents to 30 cents a word. That's $200, $300 for the same article. Build relationships, do great work, ask for testimonials, and offer package deals for recurring income. Soon clients will come to you. Imagine waking up to emails with new job offers. This is real for successful freelance writers. Take action. After this video, sign up for Upwork and start your journey. One small step could launch your $200-a-day writing career. Don't overthink it. Just start. Consistency is key. The more you apply, the more you earn. Specialize, deliver quality, and watch your income grow. Freelance writing is your ticket to financial freedom. Ready to write your own success story? Let's move to the next method. Next, become a virtual assistant, one of the hottest remote jobs out there. If you're organized and a good communicator, you can help entrepreneurs and businesses with tasks like email, scheduling, social media, and more. Start by joining Upwork, Freelancer, or Entrepreneur Facebook groups. Offer value, answer questions, and let clients come to you. New VAs charge $20 to $25 an hour. That's $200 in just 8 hours. But don't just trade time for money. Specialize in high-value tasks like podcast launches or Pinterest management. Specialists can charge $50 to $100 an hour, hitting $200 in just 2 to 4 hours. Once you're busy, start your own VA agency. Hire other VAs, manage projects, and scale your income. Reliability is your superpower. Always deliver ahead of schedule. Blow clients away with your efficiency, and they'll stick with you. Start with one client, prove your value, and build from there. This can grow from a side hustle to a full business. The opportunity is huge. Take the leap, land your first client, and start building your VA empire. The world needs your skills. Ready for the next strategy? Let's go. Got knowledge in any subject? Online tutoring is booming. You don't need to be a certified teacher, just good at explaining things. Use platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Wisent to connect with students. Set your rate at $20, $25 an hour to start, then raise it as you get reviews. High-demand subjects like SAT Prep can pay $50 to $60 an hour. 4 hours of tutoring at $50 an hour. That's $200 a day. Maximize earnings with group sessions. Tutor 4 students at $30 each and make $120 an hour. Flexible hours mean you can tutor around your schedule. It's rewarding and profitable. Help students succeed while building your income. Don't let your knowledge go to waste. Monetize it. Create your profile today and start teaching. Share what you know, change lives, and get paid. Let's see what's next. Ready to build your own online store? Sell products on Etsy, eBay, or Amazon FBA. If you're crafty, Etsy is perfect for handmade goods. Not crafty? Try retail arbitrage. Buy clearance items and resell for profit. Amazon FBA lets you ship products in bulk to Amazon, and they handle the rest. Focus on finding a niche. Unique products sell best. Use tools like eRank or Jungle Scout to research what's in demand. Let's say you make $20 profit per sale. Sell 10 items a day, and you've hit $200. The secret: data-driven decisions, not guesswork. Once your listings are up, sales can become passive income. E-commerce takes work to set up, but the payoff is huge. Imagine waking up to sales notifications every morning. Start small, learn as you go, and scale up. Your online store could be your ticket to financial freedom. Don't wait. Research your first product and open your shop. The world is your marketplace. Ready for another income stream? Let's keep going. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate passive income play. Promote products you love using your unique affiliate link. Earn a commission for every sale. No inventory, no customer service. Just share what you believe in. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or promote digital products with high commissions. Example: a $200 course with a 50% commission nets you $100 per sale. Just 2 sales a day, farmer is $200. Build an audience with a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok. Focus on a niche you're passionate about. Authenticity is everything. Only recommend what you trust. Grow your email list by offering a freebie, then share valuable tips and affiliate links. One great piece of content can earn you commissions for years. It takes time to build, but once it's rolling, it works 24/7. Start by picking a niche and signing up for affiliate programs. Create helpful content and let your links do the work. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Build trust, provide value, and watch your income grow. Let's move to the next opportunity. Love social media? Turn it into a career as a social media manager. Businesses need help with content, captions, graphics, and engagement. Start local. Offer a free 1-week trial to small businesses and show them results. Charge a monthly retainer. $500 per client is standard for small businesses. 4 clients at $500 each, that's $2,000 a month. Scale up by adding more clients or targeting bigger businesses. Top managers charge thousands per client. Make it easy for clients. Use content calendars and scheduling tools. Prove your value with simple monthly reports. This is your entry into digital marketing. Learn copywriting, branding, and advertising. These are high-income skills for life. Don't just scroll. Create, strategize, and get paid. Businesses are desperate for your help. Start building your portfolio today. The demand is massive. Ready to turn your social skills into cash? Let's check out the next method. You're almost there. Let's be real. Online surveys won't make you rich, but they're easy money. Use sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie for quick cash in your downtime. Expect $50 to $100 a month. The real money? Paid market research studies. Sites like User Interviews and Respondent pay $50 to $300 for in-depth studies or interviews. Fill out your profile honestly to get matched with high-paying studies. You won't hit $200 a day every day, but landing a $200 study once a week is realistic. Combine this with other side hustles for extra income. It's perfect for supplementing your main gig. Be professional and reliable. Repeat invites mean more money. This is the easiest way to start earning online. Use Survey Cash as seed money for bigger ventures. Let's wrap it up with one last method. Want stability? Remote customer service is your answer. Work for companies like Amazon or Apple from home. Answer calls, emails, or chats. Pay starts at $15 to $22 an hour. Full-time, that's $120 to $176 a day overtime, or higher paying roles can get you to $200. Find jobs on company career pages or sites like Indeed and FlexJobs. This is a real job with benefits and a steady paycheck. Perfect for replacing your 9-to-5 without the commute. Advance by learning the company's products and aiming for promotions. Higher roles mean higher pay. Use this as a foundation while you build other income streams. It's secure, realistic, and accessible. Start your work-from-home journey here. Ready for your next step? There you have it, 8 legit ways to make $200 a day from home. Pick the method that excites you most and start today. Don't try everything at once, just take action on one. Drop a comment below with the method you'll try first or share your own tips. If you got a value, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Thanks for watching. Now go build your dream life. See you in the next one. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. Start with just one income stream from the list and master it before moving to the next. Consistency beats speed when building reliable, daily income from home. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.